Universidad Tecnológica Indoamérica, módulo, proyecto de informática educativa. Luis Gabriel Chicaiza, autor, docente, magíster Mario Miranda. A continuación se presenta la grabación de una clase con las herramientas aprendidas en este módulo.
I'm on vacation every single day cause I love my occupation. I'm on vacation every single day.
Bienvenidos, queridos estudiantes, a una nueva clase de inglés. En esta ocasión vamos a presentar una clase interactiva en donde todos vamos a poder observar y guiarnos con gráficos, con sonidos audiovisuales, los cuales nos van a servir mucho para desarrollar nuestro léxico y también aprender más sobre el tema que vamos a presentar. Comenzamos. Welcome to English Science class. For today's classes, we are going to start with a sound that I would like you to recognize. If you can catch what kind of element we are going to talk about in this class. So please listen carefully to the sound I'm going to play to you. Very good. So there was a sound that you could hear. Now you have the chance to hear another song, and please try to guess or try to give a title for this topic in this class. Okay, that was all. So I imagine you have already listened the sound. So maybe one of you have the answer about what could be the title of this topic, this class, science class. Okay, if you don't have any idea what we are going to see today in this class, I'm going to give you the main title for this class. And the main title we are going to talk about is water on earth. Okay, so we are going to talk about water on earth, and we are going to know more information about this important liquid we have for life. Okay, so let's start. Here we have some important information about water. For example, it covers approximately 70% of the land surface. Another fact we have here is that all water of the earth are oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, glaciers, and groundwater. So in these parts we can find the most covered surface of water in the earth. In the next part we have chemical composition. As we know, or maybe all of us know about the chemical composition of water, we have here the formula. The formula of water is made of one molecule of oxygen and two molecules of hydrogen. So we have the universal formula, water formula, H2O. Here we have also water characteristics. Let's start with some characteristics about the water. For example, it's a liquid body, colorless, odorless, and tasteless. It boils at a temperature of 100 degrees centigrade. Its freezing point is 0 degrees centigrade. It has great solvent power for what is called universal solvent. So, here we have some important characteristics about water. Please don't forget that water is an important liquid for all human beings. In this part, we are going to see about some natural states of water and its classification. For example, solid stage. Here we have solid stage. We can find in the North Pole and the South Pole. Okay. Also, we can find it in hailstorm shaped as ice ball, as we can see here. Okay, hailstorm. Also, we can find it in old refrigerator shaped as ice cube. Okay, so let's continue with the next stage. Liquid state. Liquid state, we can find it what we drink, also which comes out of the faucet when we take a shower, when we take a bath. Also, on the most important, I think we can find it in rivers, seas, and oceans, as we can um, appreciate in this picture. Here we have water in rivers, seas, oceans, lakes also. Okay, so please don't forget this important information. Gaseous state. Gaseous state, we can find it when the liquid water, when heated, evaporates. Okay, maybe here in the picture you can see how it is heated. Okay, so for this lesson we have feedback. Remember, this is a short lesson, so in this part we're going to have a feedback about what we have learned. So we were talking about the covers surface of water in the earth. So we said that water covers approximately 70% of the land surface, and we have here the information that that the water are in oceans, seas, river, lakes, glaciers, and groundwater. Okay, here we have another feedback about the formula. Okay, water formula. We can remember um, this part by watching, by seeing the picture. An oxygen molecule and two hydrogen molecules. Okay. Water characteristics. It's about a liquid body, colorless, odorless, and tasteless. It boils at a temperature of 100 grades centigrade. Its freezing point is 0 grades centigrade. Has great solvent power for what it's called universal solvent. We have solid state, also we have liquid state, and we have gaseous state. Okay, my dear students, that was all about this class. Um, Please find the information in the internet about water. What there here is an important question about water. What we can do to save our planet, and maybe you can also make sentences with your response. Another question we can use for this topic is it's important to save oceans and ocean life. What do you think about that? Okay, so for the next class we're going to have the chance to talk about this topic, and let's see the next class. Thank you very much. Bye bye. That was all. Esto fue todo de la tarea del módulo de informática educativa. Muchísimas gracias.